Hello everyone, welcome back to Shamish Learning. I'm Zubai Shabdi and today I will show you an easy pan drafting method for belly fat body type with better fitting and comfort. So let's start step by step. First of all, we will draw a horizontal waistline. On this line, mark waist divided by 4 plus 1 inch for dart and 1 inch seam allowance. After that, we will calculate the crotch depth. Normally, we use hip round divided by 4, but because this drafting is for belly fat body type, sometimes the formula does not work properly. In that case, you can directly measure the crotch depth as shown in the picture or simply add 2 to 3 inches in the formula. After marking the crotch depth, draw a horizontal line for the thigh measurement. Now, on this line, take the same measurement marked on the waistline plus 0.5 inch. Now connect the waistline and crotch line. For the thigh measurement, mark thigh round divided by 2 plus 1 inch seam allowance, 0.5 inches for each side. After that, take the half point of the measurement you marked. Now mark the full pant length, and if you are folding the hem within the same fabric and not attaching it separately, then keep the length 0.5 inch shorter. After marking the full length, draw a horizontal ankle line. Now, whatever measurement we marked on the thigh line, after dividing it in half, mark the same on the ankle line as well. And if you are a beginner, you can draw a center line for better accuracy. Now decide how much bottom opening you want for the pant. Take ankle round divided by 4 plus 0.5 inch seam allowance and mark it on the ankle line. Using a French curve, draw a crotch curve. For the dart, divide the waistline measurement into half and mark the center point. Take the dart length as 5 inch and draw the dart. The total dart width is 1 inch, that is zero point 0.5 inch on each side. After that, use the leg curve ruler to shape the side seam from the crotch line to the ankle line. And with the help of leg curve or hip curve ruler, give shape to the front hip side curve. I am here showing the folding part in the front pattern. For that I have taken 2 inches, but my pattern paper for back is small. So later I will remove this and directly take the folding on the fabric for the back part and the front part as well. It actually depends on you whether you want to keep the folding in the pattern or directly on the fabric. After completing the front drafting, now we will draft the back pattern. For this, I have traced the front part with a pencil. You can also directly place the front piece on another paper and start the back drafting from there. Now from the center front side, I will mark 2.5 inches upward and 2.5 inches outward as shown in the video. After that, I will draw a straight line with the scale and then give a waist curve for the back part using the leg curve ruler. This extra height in the back helps the pant fit properly while sitting and prevent it from going low at the back. That's why the back part is slightly higher than the front. Next, I will increase the crotch line by 2 inches from one side, and with the help of French curve, I will draw the back crotch curve. Now increase the hemline by 1 inch as well, and using the leg curve ruler I will shape the side curve. So this was the complete pan drafting for belly fat body measurement. I also make customized patterns according to body measurement. So if you want one, you can contact me through my Instagram ID given in the description. And this sunflower bracelet is handmade by me using anti-tarnish material. For any queries, feel free to reach out on Instagram. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.